What is risk management on ship? Risk management on ship involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks to ensure safety, compliance, and operational integrity. 2. How is risk analyzed conduct? Risk analyzed and conducted by identifying potential hazard, assessing their likelihood and impact, and determining control measures to mitigate these risks. 3. Why is risk assessment important on board ship? Risk assessment is crucial for preventing accident, ensuring compliance with maritime law, protecting the environment, and maintaining operational efficiency. 4. What are the different types of risk countermeasure used on board? Common risk countermeasures include engineering control, administrative control, personal protective equipment, emergency preparedness plan, and securing measures. 5. As a maritime cadet, how can you use and apply a risk assessment? As a maritime cadet, you can use risk assessment by learning risk management practices, activity, practicing a safety drill, observing and reporting hazard, and engaging in training simulations and enhance safety awareness and response capability.